Good morning, students. How are you all? How are you? All are fine? Yes? Yes? So what about your studies? Are you studying well? So students, next week you will be having an exam. Okay, so study, I will tell the portions what all things you have to study. So all of you study very well for the exam. Okay, students? So I know that all are good children. Yes? Yes? So today we can learn a thing that we have learned earlier. Okay, I know that you know this. That's why I have skipped that and I asked you about the different types of these, but at that time you are able to know that. But many of them are still having a doubt in the topic that we have covered. So today I will take that topic once more for you for your doubt clearance. Okay, children? So we have studied about nouns, we studied about nouns? Yes. So you know the definition of a noun. Yes or no? Noun. What do you mean by noun? Noun. In small classes and all you have studied about noun. Yes? What is the definition for a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal, thing. Yes or no? You have studied that definition, no? I know that you know that definition now. But do you know that there are some types of nouns in English? Many of them may be knowing, that's why I have skipped that topic when I have taken that. Yes, I have told you to study that also, but many of them are still having doubts. But all your doubts should be cleared after this class. Okay, so here you have some types of nouns to be studied. Okay, so we can see which are the types of nouns. Nouns means name of a person, place, animal, thing. Yes, so we can see which are the categories of nouns. Yes, so if you look in the board, I have written some types of nouns here. Okay, I have written the topic, nouns I have written, and the types. The first one you can see here, common nouns. Can you see that? Common nouns. So, common, what I mean by the heading common? Common means what? A thing that we say commonly. Okay, commonly being saying things are referred as common, no? Without mentioning about that thing. We are referring it in a general manner. Okay, referring things in general. Okay, so we can give the examples, what all examples we can give. I have written here book, forest, mountain, because you seen here book. Book, when I have referred as an example for common noun, I am not mentioning a particular book. I am referring book in general, any book. Okay, any book. That's why I have written as an example for common noun. Okay, then forest. Forest, you know forest, no? I am not referring the name of a particular forest here. Any forest of any area. Not referring the particular, not giving the name for that forest. I am referring it in general. Yes. Then third one, mountain. Mountain. I am not referring a particular mountain. I am referring mountain in general. Okay. So such types of nouns are called common nouns. Things that we are not referring in particularly. Generally we are saying things are called common nouns. Okay. So the second type is proper nouns. Proper nouns. Proper, the name itself says that we are referring it in properly. Okay, in particularly, we are referring to a thing in particular. Okay, understood? We are not referring it in general, we are referring in particular. Particular means referring to one person, like that. Okay, so Here I have written in common noun, I have written here book. Generally I am saying any book. But in proper noun I have written here English book. So I am referring to English book only. Yes or no? I am not referring to any other book but only English book. Yes? So that is proper nouns. If we are referring to something by name, that is proper nouns. Okay? And another example here I have referred forest. Yes? I am written here Gir forest. Gir forest. Gir is the name of that forest. Okay, so here I am referring to that particular forest named Gir. Yes or no? Then mountain. Here I have written mountain. I am not referring to any mountain. But in proper noun you can see Mount Everest. I am referring to Mount Everest only. Particularly I am saying to Mount Everest. Okay, so do you understood the difference between common noun and proper noun? Common nouns, things saying in general without referring it in particularly, without referring. But in proper noun, we are referring it in particular. We are referring to one thing in particular. Okay, these are the two types. We can come to the third one, collective nouns. Third one is collective nouns. Collective. Collective, the word itself gives the meaning. Collection. Collection means what? A group of things. Yes or no? Not one thing, a group of things. Yes. So, collective nouns means it's a group of things. Examples here you can see an army of soldiers. So, it may be a battalion of soldiers, a group of people. Yes or no? A bundle of books. Bundle, if we kept a bundle of books like this, it is a bundle, no, a group, a large number of books. So that is a collective noun, a bundle of books. So such words or such nouns are called collective nouns, a group of things, collective nouns. Okay, that is the third one. Is it clear for you, third one? Then fourth one is entirely different from these three. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns is the fourth type of noun. An abstract noun means a thing that we can't see, hear, touch, anything. We can't see that thing. We can't hear that thing. We can't touch that thing. Okay, it is something, a feeling. Okay, it is a feelings of human beings. We all are human beings, no? So we have different feelings to different situations. Yes or no? If something good happens, what is our feeling? Happy. We are very happy. Yes or no? And if something bad happens, we will be sad. Yes? And if somebody beat you, you will become what? Angry. Yes? Angry. And if you see some accident in front of you, what will be your reaction? You will feel sympathy. Yes or no? You will feel sympathy. Yes? So these are all the feelings of human beings. Okay. So such feelings we refer as abstract nouns. Abstract nouns. Examples for that is love. Love. We can if we are close to a person, we will be loving that person, no? Yes or no? Yes? Your parents are loving you. That is the abstract noun. That is the feeling. Okay. Then honesty. If you are honest to somebody, you are truthful. Yes or no? So that is a feeling. Then sad. I told you something bad happens, you will be crying, no? That is a feeling. Then hope. Hope, you are hope. For example, if you are not doing now well at something, your parents will have a feeling that my child will become good in the future. That is a hope. Hope for something. Hope for a better future. Have you heard that? Hope for a better future. Hope is a feeling of human being. Yes. So last one is anger. I told you, if somebody hit you or if somebody beaten you, you will be having the feeling of anger. Yes or no? So that is also a feeling. Okay. So these are the 4 types of nouns that you have to study. There are some more, but you don't have to study that in this year. So this year you have to study 4 types of nouns that coming in the first chapter, okay. Common nouns I told you, things in general without referring to a particular thing. Proper nouns, if we are referring things in particular. Okay, and the third one, collective nouns, a group of things, a collection of things, collective nouns. And the fourth one is abstract nouns. Abstract nouns means I told you it is a feeling which we can't see, hear, touch or anything like that. It is a feeling of human beings. So this is clear for you? Yes. So you can see in your textbook page number 8. You can see in page number 8 you have an exercise coming related with the common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun. So all of you should do this. Okay, all of you should do this work in page number 8 and page number 9. Many of them may have done it, no problem. Those who have not done, please do that. Okay, you will be doing? Yes or no? So we can clear if you have any doubts in the Google Meet. So I hope that everything is clear for you, because this you have studied in last year also. That's why I have taken it in a light manner when I have completed the first chapter. No problem. I hope that those who have not understood may have understood by this class. So all of you do the work in page number 8 and 9. So thank you for all. Okay.